Hey guys, it's Mommy Outnumbered, and today we're going to be drawing a snowman. So grab your paper, pencil, some crayons, and markers. I'm going to be using these really cool Centos Sugar Rush scented fine liner markers. These are really cool. They have 24 different colors and 24 different smells. I'm also using these Touch New sketch markers with dual tips. They have a broad tip and a fine tip. But to start, and most importantly, I'm using my pencil. Now you can go grab a cup or a bowl, anything circle to trace. I found this cute vinyl coaster that is the perfect size for my paper, for my snowman's base. So you're not going to start from the top. You're going to start not in the middle. You're going to leave a little room for the top of it. You're going to trace around your shape. Don't press too hard, and there you go. Your snowman's belly. We left the top of the circle open because we're going to draw him a scarf. We're going to scoop in, connecting each point. And on each end, we're going to make bumps, kind of like the letter B. This one, backwards, B bumps. And on the other side, make 2 4 bumps, like you're making the letter B without the line. And you're going to draw a line straight across to complete the top part of your scarf. Now we're going to make the swag of the scarf. We're going to make 2 lines, curve them down a little bit. And at the bottom, you're going to chop it up and make the little frillies at the bottom of the scarf. Now I'm going to draw his feet, just 2 stubby feet. One there and one on the other side. Now we're going to make these 2 squiggly lines on the side of the scarf for his stick arms. And this snowman is going to wear mittens. So let's draw a little line across here. Go up and make a hump here for the thumb. Go up on the other side and make an even bigger hump to complete the mitten. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, his little pudgy belly here, we're going to draw him some buttons. First button, each button is going to get gradually bigger. You're going to make 3 buttons. Now, let's curve around to make his head. We're still going to leave the top open like we did with his belly because we're going to be drawing him a hat. Do the same thing on the other side. Now let's put a snow hat on our guy. Oops, let me erase this. I think I went up a little bit. It's okay to make mistakes when doing art because that's what the eraser's for. Now we're going to make a slightly curved line to connect the open part of the top of his head all the way across from one point to the other. On the sides, we're going to do sort of the B that we did on the scarf, but not as dramatic. Go all the way across and close in the other side to finish up the top portion of his snow hat. Now the top part of his head, I'm going to swing a line up and do the same thing on the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. And a ball for the middle of his hat. And now for his face, we're going to make a smile because he's happy. Make a smile, and at the ends of his mouth, little circles. There we go. And for this snowman, we're going to make a button nose. Not a carrot this time, a little button nose. And some super cute, big, round eyes. And there you have it, our drawing of our snowman. Now it's time to color. So I'm grabbing my markers. I have a black here to trace around, and I'm using blue markers for his scarf, hat, and mittens. But first I need this black fine liner. Let me get it out of here. I'm using the fine liner for just that, the lines that I want to keep fine and thin, and also for some details. I'm tracing the mouth first because I want to keep that line very thin. And that's it for my fine liner for now. I'm not going to use it again until I add the color. Now for my Touch New sketch markers. These are the blues that I chose. Usually when people do Christmas, they do the traditional red and green, but I thought about it. I went back and forth, red and green, blue, and the blue one. I'm going to start with his scarf. We're going to go back and forth between the two colors to make a stripe pattern. So I'm going to be drawing a line in between each two to separate the colors to make the pattern. Now for his buttons. I'm going to put this blue in the middle and use our other blue for the top and bottom button. For the mitts, I'm going to keep them both the same color. Doing the hat the same way that I did the buttons. Doing a different color blue for the top and the bottom part of the hat, and in the middle I'm putting our second color of blue. And that's that for the blue color. Now I'm using my fine liner to trace around all that I just colored. This helps sharpen up the color and make sure that everything looks neat and put in place. You can trace over some of those mishaps when you color outside of the line, and it just makes it look so much neater. I forgot to put the bubbles in his eyes, so I'm going to do it now. One bubble and a smaller one under it on both eyes, and a small bubble at the top of his nose. Now using the fine tip of my sketch marker, I'm going to trace around his head. The other side. I'm going to trace around his eyes, and I'm going to trace around those bubbles again inside of his eyes. We're going to leave those bubbles white and color around them. And the same thing with his nose. Now we're going to finish up by tracing his body with the fine tip of the sketch marker. And now trace his feet. And there you have it, our cute little snowman. Leave a comment and let us know what you would like us to draw next. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.